The liver is just as vital an organ as the heart, but people often fail to appreciate the importance of keeping it healthy. The liver is the size of a rugby ball. It is located mainly in the upper right portion of your abdomen, under the diaphragm, and sits above the stomach. The liver is significant for the expulsion of toxins from the blood, storing vitamins, and creating hormones among other functions. Changing certain lifestyle habits can help you to improve your liver health. If you've been diagnosed with liver disease, your doctor may suggest some kind of lifestyle for you. According to research, some of the simple tips that can lower the risk of liver disease and help the liver get rid of toxins are: 1. Limiting alcohol consumption. Too much alcohol intake is a risk factor for liver disease. Patients with an alcohol addiction should consider treatment. 2. Avoiding unnecessary over-the-counter medications. Try not to exceed the recommended dose, particularly drugs such as acetaminophen that can damage the liver. Avoid mixing alcohol and over-the-counter drugs. 3. Choosing reputable tattoo and piercing salons. Go to a salon that sterilizes their equipment. Unsafe body modifications can spread hepatitis C. 4. Getting vaccinated. A person should get vaccinated for hepatitis A and B, and ensure they get proper vaccinations before traveling overseas. 5. Practicing safe sex. This can lower the risk of spreading conditions that affect the liver. People should be as well tested for sexually transmitted infections, STIs. 6. Avoiding potentially harmful chemicals. When painting or using pesticides, put on a mask and ensure the area is well ventilated. 7. Keep yourself hydrated. 8. Rinsing fruit and vegetables. This can help ensure they are free of pesticides.